Logitech G29 has been on the market for nearly 6, 7 years, and I think this wheel is still very good, and people still prefer this wheel even after 5, 6 years, 7 years. And the reason for that is I think the quality of the Logitech products are very, very good, and I'm very happy actually to report that. I know I had this wheel for a couple of weeks, but it's still very good. Some people had this wheel for nearly 5, 6 years and no problems. Also, you can see some tears in usability on the side, but overall, the build quality is very good. I do like the feeling of the pedals. The buttons are okay, as you can see. Um, Overall, the build quality is very good, but the more important is um, the true force feedback that many people saying that this is not very strong. If I'm honest with you, I didn't have any problems with this uh, true force feedback. I do like it, and don't forget that the true force feedback is varies. It's different in different games. So let's say for example, I played the Simulator 21. The true force feedback is completely different when I play the ACC or when I play some rally games. So personally, I think the true force feedback it's very, very good. Another thing that I want to talk about is the pedals. Actually, the pedals are pretty stable in my opinion. I know some people was complaining about the brake pedal, but overall actually I'm happy how the brake pedal it's very stiff and it's very hard to press. I do like that actually because it reminds me of proper brake pedal, but overall I'm happy with the pedals. I didn't have any issues. The clutch is very good, the gas is very good, and the brake as well. But overall, this remains one of the most popular choices for a sim racing wheel, pedals, and shifter. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think there's a better solution? Do you think there's a better option there? I'm very curious to uh, check your comments in the descriptions down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know, what do you think?